Hello guys, you are welcome to my channel. My name is Mercy and today I'm going to show you how I made this heavy breakfast. It is made with yam and eggs and vegetable. This breakfast with egg recipe is very simple to make. You can eat it for lunch or for dinner. If this is the first time you are coming to this channel, you are highly welcome. Thank you for coming. And to my current subscribers, I really appreciate you. Thank you very much for coming again. So I'm going to start with peeling the yam. The good thing about this recipe is that you can always swap in and out of whatever you like. For instance, you can swap potatoes with this yam. So if you are the type that don't like yam or you don't even know what yam is, go ahead and make use of potato and it will still come out just fine. For those that don't know, yam is a staple food in Africa. It is starchy, boiled. You can also pound it, and people really love it. Like a lot of people eat it because it is used for a lot of things. You can even use to thicken soup in case of white soup and all that. So I'm going ahead now to peel the yam. I'm going to peel off the back neatly. After peeling it, then I'll proceed to wash it. Normally, you might decide to pour water in a bowl to put the yam immediately after peeling it. If the yam is a type that discorrelate fast, but this one I'm just going to wash after peeling, and that's what I'm doing. So I'm going to put a lot of water inside the bowl. Then I'll wash it. I'll wash it for like 2 or 3 times. I just want to make sure that the yam is very white. I mean, it looks good when the yam is very white after cooking. So this is the first time I've washed. I'm going to wash it again the second time to make sure that all those specks, all those dents, everything is out. Then after washing, I've already started boiling water while I'm peeling the yam. I just want the water to be very hot or boil. Right now the water is very hot, so I'm putting in my yam. The reason I like boiling the water is so that the yam will not get too soft on the outside. Everything will just boil and cook genuinely. So after placing the whole yam inside the pot, I'll cover it. Normally you need salt to boil this yam, but if I put the salt now, the yam might cook roughly, or it might not even get cooked. So I don't want the salt to stiffen the yam, so I'll put it later. So while that is boiling, I'll quickly wash my tomatoes and give them a quick chop. You don't want to blend the tomatoes and the pepper because it will make your sauce to look very plain, and you don't want it like that. So this is like 20 minutes later. Come to add my salt. Then I'll let it boil again for like more 10 minutes or until the yam is cooked. Not in a hurry. So while the yam is cooking, I'll chop my pepper, I'll chop my onion. I'll just literally cut everything I need. If I'm going to use fresh garlic and ginger, I will go ahead and mince it. But today I'm going to use all my seasoning are going to be dry ones, so I don't need to mince any garlic or ginger. So checking the yam now, 10 minutes later is cooked. Then I'll remove the water from the yam and start making the sauce. Put some oil, like half cup of vegetable oil into pan, let it heat up. Then I'll add my onion. Then I'm going to fry the onion for like 2-3 minutes. This 3 minutes later, I'm going to take off some of the onion. I'll use it to steam the vegetable. So right now I'm going to add the chopped tomatoes that are set aside. I'm just going to fry it for like 5 to 8 minutes. Then I'll add my pepper. This is Scotch bonnet pepper, very spicy, and this food tastes good when it's spicy as well. You enjoy it when it's spicy. So this is a little bit of black pepper. You can make do with any spice you like, but I'm not going to spice this one up heavily. I'm just going to add this bit, like a pinch of black pepper inside. I'll add a little bit of ground um, garlic and onion and ginger, then add my salt. That is it. You can add any other ingredients you want. You can even put herbs, curry leaf, bay leaf, and all that. That is my seasoning cube. Then I'm adding a little bit of curry powder. To the curry powder tastes well with um, eggs and tomato. So after that, I'll go ahead to cracking my eggs inside. Please, if you are not sure if the eggs are not fresh, I recommend you crack them open inside a bowl first before putting them inside the pot. But this one, I've checked the date and it's freshly laid eggs, so I'm a little bit confident. So after putting all the eggs, I'll stir it a little bit and let it boil. So it's going to boil for maybe 5 6 minutes, and this is the egg sauce ready to go. So I get it off the cooker. So this is the onion and oil that I removed the other time. I place it there, keep my vegetable. This is spinach, just 200 grams. Give it a quick wash and chop, then throw it inside the pot right away. I mean, it's a baby spinach, you might not even need to chop it at all, but just give it a rough chop. Then add a little bit of salt. There is a seasoning in the pot already. Then I'll steam it for like 2 minutes. And yeah, this is the vegetable. You know, the adding some vegetable to the food help to add more fiber to the food and make it more nutritious. So this is our yam and egg breakfast. Thank you very much for watching up to this point. I really appreciate it. Please like this video, share it with your friends, and comment what other recipe would you want me to post again. Thank you.